Hi friends, this is Muhyiddin Sheikh, the founder of International Speakers Academy and MS Coaching and Development. Today in this session, I'm going to teach you how to use past participle correctly in the English language. There are various uses of the past participle. So I'm going to teach you all the uses of past participle one by one. Before I proceed further, I would request you, if you have not subscribed our channel, International Speakers Academy, please subscribe it. And at the end of this video, if you like the video, do like the video and share it with others. So without further ado, let's get started. Uses of the past participle. The very first use, as an adjective placed before a noun, it qualifies. The past participle, the third form of the verb, is also used as an adjective. Yes. So past participle can also be used as an adjective. So we are going to learn that. The first rule, you can have a look at the screen. As an adjective placed before the noun, it qualifies. एक एडजेक्टिव के तौर पे जब उसे किसी नाउन के पहले यूज किया जाए, that will become an adjective. A burnt child dreads the fire. Burn, burn, burn. This is the third form of the verb, past participle. A burnt child means जला हुआ बच्चा, dreads the fire, आग से डरता है. Learned men will never talk much. This is the third form. Learned men means पढ़े लिखे आदमी will never talk much, ज्यादा बात नहीं करेंगे. He was wearing a torn shirt. Tear, tore, torn means फाड़ना. So third for torn मतलब फटा हुआ, torn shirt फटा हुआ shirt. He was wearing a torn shirt. वो एक फटा हुआ कपड़ा पहना हुआ था. So in this rule, the past participle has been used an adjective right before a noun. Now we will have a look at rule number 2. As an object complement placed after the object. When we use any adjective, whether it's past participle or other adjective, after the object, that is called complement of the object. Or after the subject, that is called complement of the subject. But in rule number 2, we are using the past participle as an object complement. All right, let's have a look. I found him tired. I found him, मैंने उसे पाया tired, थका हुआ. Tired मतलब थका देना, tired, थका हुआ. मैंने उसे थका हुआ पाया. The doctor treated the injured students. Doctor treated, doctor ने इलाज किया the injured students, जख्मी students का. Injured मतलब जख्म पहुंचाना, injured जख्मी. He wants you destroyed. वो तुम्हें चाहता है बर्बाद, मतलब वो तुम्हें बर्बाद देखना चाहता है. Destroy मतलब बर्बाद करना. This is destroyed. Now this is an adjective, बर्बाद. So he wants you destroyed. वो तुम्हें बर्बाद देखना चाहता है. In rule number 3, the past participle has been used as a subject complement. Means the word which will show the quality of a subject. She appears bored. She appears, वो मालूम पड़ती है कैसी? Bored, उकताई हुई, थकी थकी, वो उकताई हुई मालूम पड़ती है. So the bored is the complement of she. She is the subject and bored is the complement. She appears bored, वो उकताई हुई मालूम पड़ती है. You look confused. You look, तुम दिखते हो. Confused, confused. So confused over here is the complement of you. He seems worried. Worried मतलब दुखी. Worry मतलब दूसरे को दुखी करना. Worried. So here worried is the past participle, but over here it has been used as the complement of the subject. He seems worried. वो मालूम पड़ता है. See मतलब मालूम पड़ना या लगना. वो लगता है दुखी. Rule number 4, as an adjective phrase generally put after the noun, it qualifies. So as an adjective phrase के तौर पे, adjective के phrase के तौर पे, it has been used in this sentence, right? Books read, किताबें पढ़ी हुई, in childhood, बचपन में, are forgotten, भुला दी जाती है. Books read in childhood are forgotten, बचपन में पढ़ी हुई किताबें भुला दी जाती है. Money collected easily has no worth. Money collected, पैसा जमा किया हुआ easily, आसानी से, has no worth, उसकी कोई कीमत नहीं होती. The man wanted by police has been caught. The man wanted by police, वो शख्स जो wanted था पुलिस के जरिए, has been caught, पकड़ा जा चुका है. In number 5, to express an earlier action, पहले के action को बताने के लिए, when there are two actions happening together, so the action which happened first, to show that action, we use the past participle. Let's have a look. Deceived by his friends, he committed suicide. Deceived by his friends. Deceive मतलब धोखा देना, but it is third form, past participle, so it has been used as an adjective. धोखा खाकर या धोखा खाए जाने के बाद अपने दोस्त से धोखा खाकर, he committed suicide, उसने कर लिया खुदकुशी, उसने खुदकुशी कर लिया. committed करना, this is used with suicide and mistake. So अगर गलती करना है, then you can use he committed a mistake. Suicide, he committed suicide. Suicide मतलब खुदकुशी, अपने दोस्त से धोखा खाकर उसने खुदकुशी कर ली. Beaten by the enemy, beaten, it has two meanings, शिकस्त देना या किसी को पराजित करना, हराना या मार खाना. यहाँ पे शिकस्त देना है, पराजित करना है. So beaten, third form. जब आप थर्ड फॉर्म को यूज करेंगे तो यहाँ पे करना नहीं, होना हो जाएगा मीनिंग. So beaten by the enemy, दुश्मन से शिकस्त खाकर या पराजित होकर. The soldiers fled, भागना, सिपाही भाग गए. So here fled is the second form, simple past tense. Terrified, they stood crowded together. Terrified मतलब आतंक फैलाना, डराना किसी दूसरे को. यहाँ पे terrified adjective है, मतलब खुद डर कर. They stood, वो लोग खड़े हो गए. Crowded, भीड़ बनाकर एक साथ, together एक साथ. डर कर वो लोग एक साथ भीड़ बनाकर खड़े हो गए. Number 6, that's the famous use in all the passive voice, irrespective of present, past, future. In all passive voice, they use the third form of the verb, means the past participle. So this is the example of the passive voice. He was given his bonus. उसे उसका बोनस दिया गया. A bridge is being built. This is present continuous passive voice. Bridge बनाई जा रही है. The house has been sold. Present perfect passive voice. घर बेच दिया गया है. And then number 7, the most important use of the past participle is to form the perfect tenses. In all the perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect, we use the past participle, the third form of the verb. This is the example of that. I have memorized the lesson. मैं lesson यानी सबक याद कर चुका हूँ. She has lied to you. उसने तुमसे झूठ बोला है. We had collected the donation. हमने चंदा जमा किया था. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are the 7 rules of the past participle we use. I hope that you have understood all these 7 rules. Watch it 1, 2, 3 times, as many as times you need to watch and understand. You must watch and understand all the rules and use the past participle confidently. Now, I would like you to do 2 things. If you have got some value out of this video, why don't you share this video with your friends, family members, and acquaintances? And number 2, what else you would like to learn, you can mention in the comment box so that I may make more videos for you so that you may learn more. Thank you very much once again from the bottom of my heart. Catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.